What if your next viral Instagram post took you less time to make than it takes to brew coffee? In this video, you'll learn exactly how to create high-impact Instagram graphics in 60 seconds using AI. We're not talking about templates or vague design tips. We're talking about real, production-ready visuals, built in under a minute with tools that anyone can use. Let's break it down. First, why does this matter? Instagram is a visual-first platform, but in a world of endless scrolls and short attention spans, good design isn't optional. It's how you hook eyeballs, build trust, and drive action. The problem? Great design usually costs money, or time you don't have. That's where AI flips the script. Today, you'll learn a system that helps you generate scroll-stopping Instagram graphics fast, customize them to your brand, repurpose them across posts, stories, and reels, and most importantly, stay consistent without burning out. Here's what you need. Tool 1, Canva Pro with Magic Design. If you're not using Canva in 2025, you're behind. But the real cheat code is Magic Design, Canva's built-in AI assistant. Just type in your topic, like new podcast episode or spring skincare sale, and Magic Design will instantly generate branded templates based on your style. No more blank canvas syndrome, no more hunting for inspiration. It does the heavy lifting and gives you editable, on-brand layouts instantly. Tool 2, ChatGPT plus prompt layer. Now here's the twist most creators miss. Pair Canva with a smart text prompt from ChatGPT. Write a quick prompt like, write 3 short Instagram captions for a post announcing a product launch. Tone, bold and confident. Format, line breaks for easy reading. Boom! Captions are ready to drop into Canva. Want to go even faster? Use a prompt library or save your best ones in Prompt Layer, a tool that tracks and organizes your AI prompts. Tool 3, remove.bg or AI background tools. Need to isolate a product or person from a photo? Use remove.bg. It erases backgrounds in one click. Better yet, Canva now includes a background remover in Pro, so you can keep it all in one place. This lets you drop your subject into a clean design without distractions, in seconds. Tool 4, brand kits and style sync. AI is powerful, but consistency still wins. Set up your brand colors, fonts, and logo once in Canva. Then apply it across every design, automatically. It means every post feels custom, without creating from scratch every time. Here's the workflow. Start with a content idea, generate your text using ChatGPT, plug the text into Canva Magic Design, choose a layout that fits your brand. Tweak colors or photos using your brand kit. Export and post, done. That's 60 seconds or less. Optional bonus, create a template stack. 5 to 10 go-to Canva templates that you reuse for stories, carousels, and announcements. Every time you have a new message, just drop it into a layout you've already approved. No overthinking, no burnout. And because Canva syncs to Instagram directly, you can post right from the platform. Let's talk impact. By systemizing your content creation with AI, you save hours every week, maintain a professional visual presence, stay top of mind without scrambling for content, and build a brand that feels intentional, not rushed. And the best part? You don't need a designer, you just need a smart system. So what's next? Try this workflow today. Start with one post. Time yourself. You'll be shocked how fast it goes once the system is dialed in. Want to create your own AI-powered voiceovers too? Check out 11 Labs using the link below. And yes, it's an affiliate. It helps support the channel. Subscribe to Automation Ace and get your time back, one system at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more AI tools and automation hacks. See you in the next one.